Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming exactly how much data you have left and when your cycle resets. Open the carrier app or device settings, read the number in GB or MB, and note the billing cycle end date. Once done, check which apps consumed most data this month so you know where to cut. Make sure to switch high-usage apps to Wi-Fi only. This first step prevents surprises and sets clear limits for the rest of your plan. Next, you take control. Turn on Data Saver and restrict background data for apps that don't need real-time updates. Adjust video and streaming quality to 480p or 360p. This can reduce consumption by 30 to 70%. Once done, download maps, podcasts, and large attachments while on Wi-Fi so you use zero cellular data later. Also, prioritize critical tasks. To finish, set a hard alert at a safe threshold and schedule automatic Wi-Fi on at home to avoid accidental use. If your data still drains faster than expected, reboot the device, check for recent app updates, and force stop or uninstall any app showing abnormal usage. Make sure to test again for 1 hour. If necessary, buy a short add-on or tether from a trusted device, but weigh cost versus need before committing to extra charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.